Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sidehacker. In this I'm going to do the Apex Legends mobile gameplay review and testing on the Realme Pad tablet. Right now as you can see friends, this is a Realme Pad tablet which I'm trying to use in this video exactly. And I'm getting so many comments friends asking me to upload a video on this particular topic as well regarding the Apex Legends mobile. Let's find out in this video so how well this tablet gonna handle the Apex Legends mobile gameplay. That's what I'm going to demonstrate. And I'll try to use the real-time FPS meter as well while doing this kind of performance test in the Realme Pad tablet. And the loudspeaker is really good.
I have been down.
As you can see friends, loudspeaker is really great in this device. I would definitely say that. As you can see overall, right now I'll try to start the gameplay as well. Right now it's going, I think there is a small tutorial is going on at this moment. That's the reason. I'll try to start the match very soon. And in case if you're interested in any other videos on this particular device or maybe in other smartphones, let me know in the comment section below friends. And make sure to follow my channel as well for more updates on Apex Legends Mobile, which phones are supported with Apex Legends Mobile gameplay as well, and what is the maximum FPS you can play. So make sure to check out my gaming channel. So in my channel list there will be a gaming channel which is called STG Gaming. There I'll try to upload each and every smartphone as well regarding what are the graphics settings individual mobile phones they do support. Try to follow the gaming channel as soon as possible. Right now this is a basic tutorial which is going on at this moment. Right now the battle royale is starting at this moment in the Apex Legends. Let's see what's happening with the overall FPS. And I'm really excited to see friends how well this game gonna perform in the Helio G80 processor. This is not that powerful chipset, I would definitely say that, but let's find out in this video what's happening here with the overall gameplay settings and interface as well. How is FPS gonna maintain? So let me know in the comments what other videos you want me to upload on this particular Realme tablet. Let me know in the comment section below.
Lock and load, rinse, repeat. It's that simple.
Right now with full volume I'm trying to play. Full volume is really good in this Realme Pad. And I'll try to adjust the settings as well later once the game begins. We'll try to see what is the graphics settings and what is the highest settings you can actually play in this device as well. We'll try to focus. So let the gameplay begin right now. Right now as you can see friends, the game is going to start at this moment. And let's try to go to the settings first, and let me to change the graphic settings to normal and high FPS. So the maximum FPS, I'll try to show you what is the FPS you can actually play up to. Right now we're getting 30 FPS. As you can see friends, 30 FPS real-time statistics. You can clearly see it's maintaining about 30 FPS in the Realme Pad device. That's it. You cannot get 60 FPS in this device. Only 30 FPS we're getting. But let's go to the smooth settings and find out it's a smooth. Let's see what's happening right now. Right now also 30 settings only we are getting, 30 FPS only we are getting at this moment. You can try to focus on the real-time FPS statistics, what the phone is receiving at this moment. So this is a real-time FPS, we are getting about 30. And 29. Right now as you can see friends, 30 FPS still it's playing, so it's not like that smooth definitely I would say that, because we usually like the at least 60 FPS should be maintained. Like footsteps I can definitely hear from left and right, footsteps even in the loudspeaker.
Let's go this way.
Right now, as you can see, friends, overall FPS how it's kind of maintaining. So you can see the overall gameplay experience how it's maintaining in this moment.
There's another squad attacking.
As you can see, friends, overall how it's kind of maintaining regarding the FPS count. So this is a quick demonstration, friends, on the Realme Pad tablet. I'm going to select the different options in the settings and let's see. We are not getting that increased any kind of FPS, nothing at all. No.
Heads up, dropping the pain.
So quick demonstration, friends, in the Realme Pad device in terms of the overall gameplay experience, how it is. So we are signing off, and thank you for watching this quick demonstration on the Realme Pad tablet. So until then, signing off, friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. And overall 30 FPS is the maximum you can play in the Realme Pad tablet, doesn't matter what settings I use. Even if I try to use the normal settings and everything, still 30 FPS I'm getting, that's it, not more than that. Meanwhile, signing off, friends, thank you for watching and bye.